Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the VeGue VM30 USB microphone. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. Included in the box is a user manual and a 2-in-1 USB cable which works with a USB-A and USB-C connection. The microphone comes equipped with a pop filter and a shock mount, which will help to minimize unwanted background noise. The microphone has no latency monitoring, volume control and a mute button. The tripod is very sturdy and not wobbly at all. Setting up the microphone is very easy thanks to plug and play. The mute button works pretty good, but since you have to touch the microphone, you can hear the noise in your recordings or during your live streams. And this is how it sounds when you use the mute button. You can clearly hear the noise when touching the microphone. I tested the microphone for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. This video was recorded with a VeGue microphone. The USB microphone is quieter than my other microphone, so I had to turn the Windows sound settings to 100%. Apart from that, I had no issues with this microphone. So if you are looking for an affordable, good quality microphone for your live streams or podcasts, I would recommend the VeGue VM30 USB microphone. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.